Hi, welcome to our Pharma Topics channel, which aims at simplifying the pharmacy subjects and allied health sciences subjects. Our present topic is effect of saline purgatives on the frog intestine. It is a very simple experiment. Usually, before entering into the unit, let us see outline of what is a purgative. These are given for treatment of constipation. There are four kinds of laxatives or purgatives which are available to treat the constipation. They are saline purgatives, fecal softeners, contact purgatives, and bulk laxatives. The saline purgatives work by the mechanism of osmosis, and they are charged ions, usually magnesium or sodium or potassium ions act as saline purgatives. In this experiment, frog intestine is taken. It is divided into three compartments and they are tied up such that one compartment will not have interference with the next compartment. So compartment 1 is added with hypotonic solution, that is 0.9% sodium chloride. Compartment 2 is added with hypertonic solution, that is 27% magnesium sulfate, and compartment 3 is added with frog ringer solution, which is isotonic solution. See, tonicity is increase in the solute concentration. Then wait for 20 minutes. When we observe after 20 minutes, the compartment 1 where hypotonic solution is added, it shrinks. When we observe the compartment 2 where hypertonic solution is added, it swells. In compartment 3, there is no change where the frog ringer is added. So the inference, hypotonic solution in compartment 1 has caused fluid movement from GIT into the circulation. The hypertonic solution that is in the compartment 2, it drags the fluids from the circulation. So from the circulation, the fluids come into the GIT, it increases the fluid volume. So the cells in the lumen, whereas the fluid in the lumen are cells which are present, they absorb water and they swell. So that is why compartment 2 is showing swelling. Since there is isotonicity in the compartment 3, there is no change in the that is the swelling or the shrinking. So this is the inference for this saline purgatives effect on the frog intestine. I hope it will be useful for the pharmacy students. Thank you for listening. Happy learning. Kindly share this to your friends. Kindly subscribe to our Pharma Topics channel for further updates. Thank you.